Hey everybody, how's it going? Today let's take a quick look at this 2004 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer. And this is going to be a brief tour of the Expedition. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a few of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Two-tone brown tan leather interior. The seat automatically moves up to the last driver setting. Has 217,000 miles on it. Smooth steering, automatic transmission with overdrive, driver info system, dual zone automatic climate control, different zones, fan speed, outside temperature, recycling, defrost, 6 CD changer.
Find the perfect gift.
Jamie.
Garage home link. Rear mirror. Rear air controls. Power outlet, cup holders, radio controls, fan control, temperature controls, and cruise control all on the steering wheel. Automatic driver's side window. Perforated door inserts, power windows, locks, power heated mirrors, 2-person memory for the driver's seat, power sliding tilting driver's seat, manual recline and manual lumbar, tilt steering wheel, power pedal adjust, it's got a manual passenger seat with manual lumbar. Rear parking assist. Back seats are power folding. The vehicle's mats. Roomy rear seat. Also folds. Rear DVD entertainment system. Turn signal mirrors. Has a 5.4 liter Triton V8. running strong. You guys can see how it sounds. Very nice. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed the brief look at the 2004 Ford Expedition. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.